Hi everyone, welcome to the third section of this video. Alright, so in this video we're going to look at the step-by-step process of how to rightly update the Linux kernel on a Red Hat 8 system. Alright, so quick one, if you're writing the RHCSA exam or the SUSE Linux exam or the RHCSA exam, just scroll down to the end of this website and click on the exam practice questions. Alright, so you can practice before writing the exam. It's very important you do that, and we're going to be updating the website from time to time with more questions so you can practice with. Okay, so in the previous videos we've looked at what the kernel is, we've looked at the benefits of updating the kernel, we've also looked at the disadvantages of updating a kernel as well. Alright, so in this video we're going to look at the, as I've said, we're going to look at the step-by-step process of updating the Linux kernel. Alright, rightly updating the Linux kernel can be done in two ways. One, you can manually use the .rpm kernel package to do that, and secondly, you can use the yum install command to do that. Alright, okay, so let's look at the first method. You can download the .rpm package, the kernel package, from Red Hat package browser. Alright, so I already have it downloaded, kernel in /media, so you can see the kernel that we want to upgrade or update to. Alright, so to see the kernel that you're currently running on, you can use the command uname -a. Alright, uname. So you can see that we are currently running on 4.18-147, and you can see that the kernel we want to upgrade to is a higher version to this. So this is -193. Okay, I'm going to drop the link to this website in the description section below, so that in case you also want to download a kernel, you can click on the link that will take you to the Red Hat package browser to be able to download a kernel. Alright, if you have been following through the RHCSA 8 course, the series on this website, we've talked about software installation in Linux, and we've also talked about how to install the RPM package. Alright, so to upgrade this kernel, the proper way or the right way to do that is to use the RPM command followed by -i. So please don't use the -u. Alright, the -u of course will upgrade the kernel, but if anything happens to the newly upgraded kernel, you will not be able to revert to the old kernel. Alright, so the right way to update a Linux kernel using the RPM command is to use the -i. Alright, so that by the time you upgrade the kernel to the new one, if anything happens and you want to revert to the old kernel, you will be able to revert to the old kernel. So always use the -i option followed by verbose if you like, and followed by human readable form if you like. Alright, so the main command is rpm-i followed by the package. I'm just going to add the vh, which is verbose, so that I want to see what's happening. Alright, then followed by the name of the package, which is this. Okay, so don't forget, always use the -i command when you are installing a package, a kernel I mean. Let me just clear my screen. Alright, so now that the kernel has been installed, the next thing we need to do is to reboot the system so that the new kernel can take effect. Alright, so if you still check the kernel that you're running on, you can see that, oh, okay, so you're still running on the old kernel. Alright, and to be able to see the kernels that are installed on your system, just use the command rpm, let's query kernel. Alright, so you can see the kernels that are installed on your system. So currently we have two kernels. We have the old one that we're running on, and we have the new one that we've just installed. So if we reboot the system, automatically the new kernel will be the kernel that will be running on the system. Alright, so let's reboot the system to confirm that. So I'm just going to pause the video, and when the system comes back, we're going to see the new kernel the system is running on. Now that our system is back up, so let's see the new kernel that we're running on. Alright, so you can see that we're running on the new kernel that we've just installed. So let's do this again. Just want to query the kernel. Alright, so this is the new kernel that we just installed, and that's what the system is running on now. So maybe if there's any issue with this kernel or an application is misbehaving and you need to revert to the old kernel, because you've used the -i option, you can easily revert to this old kernel. Alright, so I'm not going to teach that in this video. I'm going to do that in another video, so I'm going to be dropping the link to that video if you want to learn about that. Okay, and also the second method to install the kernel, if you want to use the yum update, the yum command is to use the yum update, alright, or DNF update. So you can just do yum update kernel. So this will install the kernel to the latest kernel. However, before you can do this, you need to be subscribed. Your system needs to be subscribed rather before you'll be able to update to the latest kernel if you want to use this method or this option. Alright, so in the next video we're going to look at kernel optimization, and we're also going to look at the Linux kernel module. Alright, so thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel, and bye for now.